We are very excited to kick off our 2020 sparkling wine harvest at Schramsberg. We have the Pinot Noir from the Schramsberg Vineyard in the Carneros down at the end of Bayview Avenue this year. Traditionally, our first vineyard to be picked each year, and it's here again. We're excited. A little bit on the early side this year, perhaps yields slightly lower. So we're also going to savor our bottles of Carencia to kick the harvest off and to feed a little bit of a past vintage to the vintage that's before us. All right. So team, are you guys ready? Let's loosen the wires. Emma's going to slide just to the side so we don't hurt. You guys